Hey everyone, welcome to room 3505 in the Chelsea Tower in the Cosmopolitan. Of course, this is my first time staying here, and this is a studio terrace room with a nice beautiful balcony that I'll be showing you in a minute. We have a bathroom that is just gorgeous. I am already feeling spoiled. We have a nice soaking tub. It's not a jacuzzi, but you know, after a long, hard night of partying or walking the strip, it might feel pretty good to soak in the tub. It's got some pretty artwork or glass work or whatever you want to call it. It has a walk-in shower where you can have a bench to sit on and have the water just go down on you. It comes with some of the regular, shampoos and daily conditioners and body wash. Has a nice sink, his and hers. You have the double mirrors over the sinks. Of course, you have some privacy when you want to go to the bathroom. You got the powder room in here. It has an outline of a lady's face as you're doing your business. It's kind of interesting. When you step into the main area, you have a beautiful wraparound couch with some more beautiful artwork. I really love how tasteful the artwork is in this room. Cosmo overall is just elegant in my eyes. Of course, here's that glass work from the other side of it. More cool artwork over here. And of course, you get your mini bar. It's going to cost you a fortune if you want to use it. You got your mini fridge, stocked and tempting to spend all your money. You got your room controls over here. Then you walk over here into your bedroom area. Here's the king size bed, and it looks inviting, doesn't it? You have a TV if you're going to spend time in Vegas watching TV. Well, okay, I guess. But I have other things to do. And then we have a beautiful, if I can get the door open. Look at the view. A private balcony with a gorgeous view. A gorgeous view of the fountains, Paris, the Wheel, Bellagio. You can see the flamingo down there in the distance. It's just gorgeous. Paris. I'll be staying at Paris later on next week while I'm here. Can't wait to just try that one too. You got a couch, you can have lots of socializing, another chair. If you're a smoker, they let you smoke outside. Here's the room from the other view of it. You got your closets. I've got mine already full of my luggage. You get your standard bathrobes, and then have a safe if you needed, an iron, which is pretty cool. That can come in handy sometimes. And I forgot to mention while I was over here, you also have a desk that you can use if you have to do some work while you're away, if you're here on a work vacation or conference. This is room 3505 from Cosmopolitan in the Chelsea Tower. And I got comped this room for 4 days. I just have to pay the resort fees because I don't have my membership level up high enough where the resort fees are waived. But look at this, look what they're comping me. It pays to get your players cards, it really, really does. If you haven't gotten them yet and you're planning a trip to Vegas, honestly, you should get it. Oh, sadly, the end of my 4-day comped stay at the Cosmo is now over. It's checkout day. A little sad about that because I enjoyed myself so much here. It was a great room, so much space, just luxurious. I couldn't have asked for a better free room. I say free because I'm still paying the resort fees. I was hoping to upgrade my Sterling identity over to gold, but I am a little short, so I'm going to be paying those resort fees. But hopefully by next time I'll have the gold status. It really does pay to, you know, use your card when you're gambling and paying for food and all that stuff. It really does add up. One thing I will note, and it's to be expected because of course on vacation, hotels, resorts, wherever you are, it's not just Vegas, you know, they charge a lot more for the food, the drinks, whatever. But that being said, a little tiny bottle, and I mean a tiny bottle of ginger ale was costing me $7 a pop. So if you can hit the CVS or the Walgreens before you get here and load up on some drinks, that might save you some cash. If that's not a big deal to you, then don't worry about it. But I was a little shocked at like $7 for such a tiny little can of drink, or little bottle of drink. But other than that, I love the stay. It was amazing, and I am definitely going to come back here, comped or not, but hopefully comped. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really, really helps me. And subscribe if you haven't already, which probably you haven't because my channel is new. I hardly have anybody. I had to beg my family and friends to subscribe. So hopefully I can get more people to subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.